Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 29th, 2022. We are going to talk about Dogecoin today and see at what price should we try to get in. I mean, if the market is going to continue to go up in price, maybe 14.5 cents is a great entry point for this currency. I'm going to show you all what I think the market in Dogecoin is going to do next so that we can still be in position and win into the market. So guys, join me, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well because you do not want to miss out on my price prediction that I am creating here on this platform. Now check this out. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. I'm gonna be honest and show you all that my last video that I've done for Dogecoin did not come out the way I wanted it to come. You guys can see it right here. I did a video in Dogecoin on the 15th of March, playing the weakness into the market in Dogecoin, and it did not happen. No, the market went up instead, and it's a very steady run up. You guys can tell the market rarely even went down on any down day. The market continued to show itself that it was bullish. So you guys can see it. It didn't go right, but let me show you how to minimize losses, right? You guys can tell that Dogecoin has been on a steady climb. Prices was continuing to go up. And let's say that you were the individual who was looking for the price to go down. At what point would you have came to the realization and said, well, maybe I got this one wrong. I might need to cut the position and go along with everyone else. Well, first of all, you guys can tell that the market in Dogecoin immediately following my price prediction, it went up, right? The price went up, and then right there on the 18th, the price continued to go up. And the biggest indication that would have told you might need to cut the play is when the market broke this downtrending line right here on this particular day, the 22nd of March, right? You should have said, all right, cool. Obviously, the market has changed its direction. Its sentiment is switching over from one of being one of a downtrend to at least one of trading sideways. That is where we're at right now on this particular day. So if you were to cut the market out on the 18th of March, right here, the 22nd of March, you would have lost 9% versus getting out the market now, 30.75%. Now, I already know which one you would like to have. You would like to have that 9% versus that 30%. I already know. So you have to understand when you're in a position, you always got to come in and investigate how you're looking in terms of what your original prognosis was versus what the market's really doing. All right. So yeah, I didn't get this one right. Let's go ahead and get in position on the next run, because if Dogecoin is going to continue to go up, guess what? We need to continue to ride on with everyone else into the market, right? Of course we do. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. First thing we need to do, we need to clean up this chart, right? You guys remember I just told you earlier that the market has broken the downtrend line. So we're not going to hold this downtrend line the way it is now. We're going to switch it and move this line to where it's more beneficial to us, right? So if anything, we're going to utilize this area as a point for us to see how high Dogecoin can go, right? Before we see any indications of selling. Like the seller's going to stand up at some certain price, and they might first stand up around 16.5 cents. Why do I say that? Well, we got some prior history into the market in Dogecoin to where that area was being supported. Yeah, back here in July of 2021, Dogecoin came and held that price. You guys can even see it right here in June 2021. The market in Dogecoin came and held 16 cents, 16.5 cents, even in April. So that's a very strong area that we might need to harness our attention on to see if the sellers are going to stand up there. Now, when I say sellers stand up, I simply mean that they're going to try to push the price down, because if they're going to try to push the price down there, then we already got a heads up as to when we need to take the profit, right? Now, let's say we got enough strength to break 16. Cool. The next level is going to be up here towards 19.20 cents. Okay. So keep that in mind as we continue to see this market in Dogecoin trade. Now, let's go ahead and play this line here, and we're going to use it as to the current trend that the market in Dogecoin is on. Okay. Because I want us to follow the trend into the market in Dogecoin, because it gives us a gauge as to how bullish this market really is. And you can tell we're kind of breaking away from the trend that started back on the 15th, the 16th of March. We're breaking away from that trend right now. It's something that we need to be careful of. Look at that. So the market is due for another come down. I mean, just keep it a buck, keep it real. We can see the market in Dogecoin fall another what, 11-12%, and a lot of people might be scared and might be nervous, but we're still in an upward trend though, even if the market was to fall almost 12%. Okay, so check this out. Let's go ahead and look at Dogecoin on a 2 weeks time frame, right? And this is one reason why I'm definitely bullish into the market in Dogecoin. A lot of these cryptocurrencies, the ones that I've done price predictions for, the longer term time frame was reflecting to us continued weakness, right? So a lot of my price predictions on those particular videos were playing the weakness to the downside, and instead the market kind of shown us over the last 2-3 weeks that the risk is back on. People are now placing their money back into the market in the cryptocurrency space. Dogecoin is not the exception. Even those who are participating in this market also bought the weakness. So looking at this on a 2 weeks time frame, this is pretty bullish, right? At least for us to come up and see the price come up to 16 cents, maybe even 20 in the long term. This is Dogecoin on the 3 weeks, right? Look at that. The market here on the last completed 3 weekly price bar in Dogecoin went up. We saw the price close at the high of the bar. So there's still some strength here on a long-term basis. This is why I only pay attention to the price, because the price is the ultimate deciding factor as to where the market is trying to go. Here it is. We got 2 days and 14 hours left in the market, and Dogecoin is closing at the high of the bar. Now, as we approach the ending of this year, I don't want you all to think that the down move is completely over, that we have hit rock bottom and Dogecoin is going to continue to go up from here. But what I am going to do, I am going to place some strength into the market in Dogecoin. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to continue to play the strength into the market until either price breaks 13 cents to the downside or this trend, this ascending line. Okay, so what we're going to look forward to, we're going to look forward to Dogecoin's price going up. Now the first area for us to come in and take the profitability, like I said, was around 16 cents. Okay, so that gives us 9% profitability in that particular price movement, right? The next area is going to be up here like towards 18 to 19 cents. All right. Now, we won't hit 19 cents until we see the market break above 16 on good strength and very good volume. All right. So we can't see price break 16 cents, then understand that I've already told you that you might need to take the bag there. Okay. So now let me switch this back over to the daily time frame so we can continue to view this price movement on a daily basis. You guys heard what I've said as to where I'm looking for the market in Dogecoin to go. Okay. So we're going to continue to follow that. Right there. All right. So now real quick, I got the comment section open so you all can kind of drop your own price prediction, your own price target as to where you see Dogecoin going into the next month, April. So go ahead and drop a comment real quick and let me know, where do y'all think the market is headed for this particular type of cryptocurrency into the month of April? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.